Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong henne kasngi kalapun long ya ka jingekhi ka bajar jar ha Don Bosco Square da ka Pynrem jur ya ka Jingshah Pyniap jongki Arngut ki Shipara ki badang rit ka Karta ha ka Jingshah Thombor ka badang Shen ha bagrenche kila pathai kubor ka President jong ka seng ka TSU Lema kalau ong ba ka jingekhi ka jongki ka longban Pynrem ya ka Jingshah Pyniap jong hybrid badang sansnem bat ka para jong u ka badang san banai Kibala syak Pyniap hapo ka Jingshah ka jongki ha kapor bala syak penbethei de ki bom roket ha kapor min step jong ka nyotrik uyayong arhajar apun riu kala penpau ba ukpa jong ki teki khna udang don ha ka kam kum usipai pahara khaput kat ba ka kemi jongki ka de ka nos ha ka Apollo Hospital Guwahati kadang don ha ka shuti ne ka maternity leave ha kapor baja ka te ka jingja ka sengkala penpau ya ka jing don lang bat ka te ka longyeng ka balado no iki Arngut ki khun jongki ka kanhun ka Pynrem jur halor ka diga jingja ka lema ka lapan pauru ya ka jing sokhya halor ka te ka Jingshah Thombor da ka bakdo ba kum ki ni ka jingja kila yai beteng lajan lai snem ka bala wanra ya ka jingdu iki min sim brio ka jing penjat iki mar ki mata bat ka bu jing ya ki riu pat ba kala kentu ya ka sorkar ba ka de ban shim ya ki lat ki lenti ki bakir ki ban wanra biang ka jing suk bat ban penkut no ya ka jing kan at ka seng kala khot ru ban le ban weng ya ka jing wan buhai shnong bi an bat ka jing kiu jong ka jing ma jong drok ha ka jilla bat ha ka than chate la mingi kala long ka daw ka ba penlong ya ka jing klumar shu ka kan hun kala karpa di keyboard senchar ban pentikna ya ka jing ya linti ka basngan chiki surok ba jong ka ri na ka menta ki jet min riu meite
Today we are having this sit-in protest to condemn the act of killing of two innocent children, a 5-year-old boy and his 5-month-old sister in their own house, while the father is busy serving the security of the country as a BSF Jawan, and the mother, she was on maternity leave. She is a nurse serving the people in the Apollo Hospital, Guwahati. And the two innocent children were killed in the rocket attack that happened in their house at 1 a.m. on the 7th April 2026. So we are here to show our solidarity with the victims, with the family of the children, and to condemn the act of their death. It is a very sad thing that the government cannot put an end to this violence. It's almost 3 years now. So we would appeal to the government to bring peace and to end this violence as soon as possible, because lives are lost and properties are lost and the people are all suffering. So we are appealing to the government to bring an end to this violence. Victims that were dead are Meiteis. We are from the Meitei community of Manipur. Like I have said before, we want peace. We want the government to bring a solution to this violence as soon as possible, and we want the illegal immigrants coming from the neighboring countries to be the, to have a solution to the illegal immigrants and the drug menace that has been happening in the state, also in the country, especially in the northeastern states. That also is one of the main reasons of this violence. Should be put an end to it. And we also appeal to the government that the national highways should be removed, should be secure for the Meitei community to be able to use the national highways. We will continue to organize such silent, peaceful demonstrations if required, and as and when required, and if it will help bring peace to the violence happening, we will continue. Government of India has deployed many security forces in the state to contain or to contain whatever reasons for the since the ethnic violence have started. Government of India has brought so many deploys in the state, so that is the only step that has been taken up by the government, and there has been some dialogues from both the communities, either together or separately, but till now the dialogues have not bear any fruit. So this is the step, I think. Have been mostly attacked. You are the government of India has been trying, like I said, that they have been having dialogues with both the parties, but they have not been able to come to a very fruitful decision yet to this, how to end to this violence. So I think they have to see other ways and means also, how to put an end of this society, this violence. And there has been, we can say that not enough efforts has been made, like there has been less media coverage when such incidences happen. The leaders, they don't speak one word, they don't condemn the act, there are no comments from them. So I would say that we have been neglected from the government side also, and from the leaders.
So we have organized this protest. It is organized by Manipur Elders Consortium Shillong. It is a body of people from Manipur, and we are not doing it. We are doing it as a combined protest from the people of Manipur. So what you're seeing here is not just the members of MACS, but you can see a different, not many, but different people from Manipur who are staying in Shillong, working and studying in Shillong. So we are condemning the action of the people who killed those two children on the night of the 7th, early hours of the 7th of April, when they were sleeping with their mother on their bed, and a 5-year-old boy and his younger sister of only 5 months was killed. So we're protesting that, and we're demanding that even after this almost 3 years of uh, uh, absence of peace in Manipur, why these things are still happening. So that is the main purpose of this protest, that actions be taken, and that not just for the justice for the two children who have lost their lives, but also for the last 3 months, and why lasting peace has not come into the state of Manipur. Again, usually we say that the news from on a general level, the Northeast India finds very less space. But we've seen that there has been very much limited or one-sided way of reporting, or even wrong reporting, maybe intentional, maybe unintentional. In cases where some photos are taken out of context. So we have seen that we've been asking for a better, a non-biased, a more complete report of what is going on in Manipur.